We're just gonna wait for some more people to join in. So hello everyone and welcome to another session of Kiska Brand Bajega Live. I hope you're loving our fun and interactive sessions that we've been having with some of the top celebrities of India. Make sure you follow our page on Instagram and Facebook. So talking about today, we have with us someone who are two exceptional personalities. You've loved both of them. You've admired their talent. You've loved their beautiful and melodious voice. Made be in Kendi Ha Kendi Na, Kar Gayi Chul, Mashallah, Mafia, and many more songs. Does anyone want to guess who they are? That's absolutely right. It's none other than Prakriti and Sukriti Kakra. Make sure you guys type in all your questions. We take up questions in between our session. We're just waiting for Sukriti and Prakriti to join in. We're just waiting for Sukriti and Prakriti Kakkar to join in, guys. Make sure you type in all your questions. We'll be asking them in between our session and it can be yours. That's right. Mafia is going to complete a year tomorrow. We'll be having Sukriti and Prakriti with us very shortly, guys. Make sure you type in all your questions. We're just waiting for Sukriti and Prakriti to join in, guys. Make sure you type in all your questions. We take up questions in between our session and we don't want to miss any of yours. Anything that you want to ask to them, type in here. We'll be connecting with Sukriti and Prakriti in a while. Make sure you do not forget to type in all your questions because we surely like to take them up between our sessions. I see a lot of fun questions. We'll be having them with us in a while. We're just waiting for them to join in, and then we can start with our fun.
Set.
Hello, Sukriti and Prakriti. A very warm welcome to our show.
Hi,
Thank you so much
how are
for
you?
joining. I'm good. How are you?
Very good,
Very
very
well.
good. We're just coming live after really long, so we're very, very excited and trying to find a good filter. Yeah,
That's
we'll find
great.
the perfect filter.
We're excited to have you.
Yeah. No.
Okay, so how's Riyaz going in quarantine?
Amazing. I think, what day of quarantine are we on today? I think 70 something? 70 something for
I've
us.
lost the count actually.
Yeah, I think we all have. But I think it's been amazing. The रियाज is going really strong actually. बहुत पहले बहुत बोर हो रहे थे. फिर उसके बाद नया phase आया where we were like, okay, now we have to make some music. Now I just feel I'm very used to it. Even if the lockdown gets extended, I'm very happy because I can record at home. We can make more songs at home. We're rehearsing at home.
Okay, first and foremost, hi to everybody that's tuned in. I think we can see a lot of people,
After so long. After so long, I think so many people just keep, usually telling us to keep coming live, and we've actually been really good girls. We've been working on some content and stuff like that, but finally, so happy to be live on Instagram. We have so many friends. Hi, Abhimanyu. What's up?
Hi everyone.
Hi, guys. Hi, Sherry.
What's up? Sorry, I was just trying to find the perfect filter.
I think
I
that's
don't
what
know if this is
happens when
perfect.
you come on prime time.
That's okay.
live.
Okay, so now the team has prepared some very fun and lovely questions, and we have very interactive activities for you. You start ready to start with the show?
Yeah,
Yes,
let's
we
go.
are. Is everybody else
Okay.
ready?
We're going to be having some fun on Kiska brand. बजेगा. Hopefully not band bajega. Hi Renil.
Hi,
What's up?
Renil.
You guys owe me a mafia. You guys were literally. Yeah, I think lots of catching up to do with a lot of friends who've actually joined us here for this live. But
That's
let's
great.
go. Let's go for it.
Okay, so basically you developed and you realized your love for music at a very young age. So what was your and who was your inspiration?
I think growing up, I think you can't really have one person, so to say, because the interest, of course, in music comes from the family that we're in. We were always around music, and I think as kids, when घर पे आप कुछ भी कर रहे हो हमेशा गाने बज रहे हो या फिर of course if your mom's a music teacher, there's always so much of conversation just about music, and I think the interest obviously started at home. But I think it was only an interest. I think for the longest time when we were in school and college, music was just an activity we enjoyed so much. The extracurricular activity that just school and colleges mein hoti hai, annual days, you name it. We would be like at the top of it, and we would just love just singing, whether it's like Republic Day in school or anything of that sort. Or a competition. And then slowly, of course, we started taking part. Then we also started winning a few competitions and then I think we overcome our stage fright, of course, by performing so much in school and college. We had some amazing friends who always encouraged us to sing more, some amazing teachers. Then I think we're lucky enough to find some people along the way who pushed us in the right directions. But I think the most important thing was us coming all the way from Delhi to Mumbai, which made things a lot easier because staying in Delhi, obviously, I think industry की सिटी में होना चाहिए and वहीं से काम होता है. So obviously we moved to Bombay when we were 10, and since then we've been at it. Actually, we started performing and singing and doing live shows since we were 15, 16. So I think long journey ahead of us. There's so much more to do.
Yes. That's
Hi,
wonderful. So like,
everyone. Hi, there's somebody saying Kendiha in UK. Oh, I love that. So I think everybody tuned in already knows the answers to everything. So they've answered our
Hi.
questions before us. Hi, Ishrad. Hi, Nia. Hi, Supra is live. Good night, Prakriti. I'm not saying good night. Not so soon. I think before every live, no, we decide which phone to go live from, whether Prakriti or mine. But she has really low battery, so we've decided if the phone goes
okay.
off, then I can come live too.
Yes. Okay, so talking about your singing, have you ever been made to sing in front of family and friends, like how they do to kids?
Yeah, I think every kid has to go through that at some point. I think our parents very rarely, feel proud of us, and when they do, they make sure we sing in front of their friends. So yeah, I think growing up, I think parents like to show off when they have talent at home, and of course, mom is so talented. And my elder sister, of course, she was a singer at home. She was the first singer, and then of course us. But there's always jamming happening at home. Whenever
I think,
somebody
but
comes
Prakriti,
over, like our entire family is in Delhi and London, so nobody is really in Bombay. Like mom and dad and us, and our elder sister and our brother-in-law, we're all in Mumbai, but everybody else is in Delhi. So as opposed to what people think, we've actually not gone to our relatives or sang and everything. I think we started working only really early, so we would just do stage shows and stuff and perform for other people that we don't know. So that happened a lot.
Okay. So talking about stage show, how was your first stage performance like?
The real deal, I think that happened much later. Of course, when we talk about performances and everything, हम दोनों ने हमेशा एक साथ ही perform किया है, and that's the only way we know it. But I think it's always been, right now we don't know when we're performing next, but when you talk about performing, it is something that we started doing since we were 15 years old. So yeah, I don't think we've ever had any kind of inhibition when it comes to being on stage. I think we love the entertainer part of a job like ours. We love singing for an audience. I think that's the most exhilarating. I think a first
feeling
show. Do
for
you
us.
remember when was the first show ever? Our first show was, I think, when we just shifted to Bombay and we got on a stage. I think it was in Powai Renaissance, and it was, I think, some corporate show or something, and that was the first time we sang in front of some. And I think in Delhi it
300,
was
400 people.
maybe, I think I remember it was Children's Day, and we were 14 or something like that, and dad said that, oh, they're having this performance, and why don't you guys go and participate? We were like, yeah, we'll go and we'll. So I remember we had designed our outfits accordingly, and I had
Yeah, I think we've
written.
always loved, getting ready for a show, and of course, we've loved
And it was in
styling
a mall.
ourselves.
It was in a mall in Delhi. I remember that also very, very clearly. So
I
it was
remember what we
Children's
were
Day.
wearing.
We were wearing the same black spaghetti. Sukriti had like an S written with glitter. I had a P because Sukriti and
Oh,
Prakriti. We performed. I'm not going to tell you what we sang,
We have
but
very embarrassing pictures.
yeah,
Also
we also forgot lyrics.
why? Tell us. We're interested. What did you sing though?
Well,
You
a lot
know,
of questions.
You don't
for
want to
you.
know what we sang.
Okay, so Prakriti loves asking, how's your tooth pain, Suku? I just took a painkiller.
Does everyone know about her
Yeah,
tooth
I
pain?
don't know. I have a really bad wisdom tooth, and I was hoping my face doesn't become swollen because of it. But I don't want to go to a dentist right now.
Or any
But
hospital.
thank you for asking. That's very sweet. It's much better now.
That's lovely. So, tell us about your craziest fan story.
Craziest fan story. Okay, a lot
Okay,
of people are still asking who's Prakriti and who's Sukriti. I don't think it's tough at all, but since you're asking, and
We
since
should make a
so
filter,
many, maybe that comes out and says Sukriti
and Prakriti.
Yeah, we should make an Instagram filter though. Yeah. So I'm Prakriti. She is Sukriti, and today we're looking very different. So
Yeah.
I don't
Yeah.
think there should be. Hena, we're not looking very twinny today, so I think
Yes.
that's okay. I think coming back to your question, the craziest fan memory has to be something 20. I mean, everything now is 2019 key memory. So I think we had this
really fun college show in Bangalore. And
Yes.
you remember that?
Yeah.
And I think it was we just took the flight and we landed, and usually कैसे होता है कि show जब होता है, then especially college shows, a lot of college people and the entire क्या बोलते हैं उसको, who actually comes in
committees,
yeah,
you
the
know,
entire
like how when
committee.
you do a fest, and like we've done fests in our college, so we know what it's like to go get the celebrities from the airport to the college and make sure they're good. So there was this really, really sweet committee of the college who and you can imagine when we've landed, it's 6 a.m. or 7 a.m. in the morning, and we took the first flight out. We've just landed in Bangalore, and they gave us the sweetest, most heartwarming welcome of our lives. They were wearing our pictures on their t-shirts, like and with our
Very
names. And there were
sweet.
5 of them, like 3 boys and 2 girls. They were wearing Sukriti Prakriti live, and they were wearing our pictures
And wristbands and t-shirts
and
with
we
our
couldn't even
faces
believe
on
it.
it.
We were so sleepy when we landed and we woke up. We were just like, I can't go to sleep now, because I think that stopped the most heartwarming, the most amazing welcomes of our life. And I think that's also one of the best shows we played. So yeah, I think उससे बढ़कर कुछ हुआ ही नहीं है. मतलब that was like the sweetest memory
Most
we
recent for sure.
had
Yeah.
with fans.
Please
That
visit
is quite
Kerala
a
after
lovely
this pandemic. Yeah, we'll visit everywhere, we promise you. Love to.
Also, talking about shows, I hope you're loving our show. And if you are, it would be great if you could give a shout out to our show.
Absolutely.
You
I think, yeah, everybody who's tuned in, please don't miss the show. Please go check out the entire page and tune in for all the episodes. I think they're doing amazing, amazing live. So many amazing people that I just saw on the page before this. I have missed a lot of
And
lives.
the
I
good
think
thing
I'm
is
not
that
going to.
their lives are saved on their page.
Yeah.
And if you're having a boring day, just go tune in, watch some interviews, and I mean, you can watch this again if you like us a lot.
I'm sure many of us will. Okay.
We
Now,
have friend Mellows here. Hi, Mello.
What's
so
up,
and so.
Mello?
Arey, but that was not our merch. They did something themselves, and I think that is why it was so special. We don't have merch yet.
I told them to give me a t-shirt, but next time.
And somebody gave you also.
okay. Now let's get into some fun activities. Okay.
Sure.
It's a pointing game. I think you're already aware of what it is. You point towards the one who you feel I'm talking about here. Okay.
Oh, okay, like TikTok, the trend that's happening.
Okay, cool. I think it will be fun.
Okay.
Let's go.
So who's a bigger foodie?
मतलब हम एक साथ
We
ही
both
खाते हैं.
have
Most
foodie.
of
Yeah,
the
it's like 50-50.
all our money goes in food. So, not even that.
So relatable. Okay. Who gets into trouble the most?
She's a troublemaker
It's my
in the
face,
house.
It's just my face. I don't know why.
Yeah.
People think I'm always up to something wrong.
And people think I'm more reliable and dependable.
You
so
just had to plug that.
Yeah, I just had to. But anyway, but that's the truth. Like, Prakriti always falls in trouble, even if she's not done anything. I think she just has so much mystery on her face. Like, इसने कुछ तो किया ही है गलत,
that's
So
true.
I think she
I
always
get
falls in
picked up
trouble.
for like random security checks also at the airport. I don't know why. Like she'll never get caught, but they'll just be like, "No, we want to check your bag," and I'll be like, "But I didn't do anything,
You
But
know, it's so funny.
it's the
I remember
face.
once when we were in school, we both like sat next to each other. I mean, not next to each other, behind each other. We were giving an exam, and I wanted to cheat. Okay, like I just wanted to
Are
do
you really
something,
saying this?
but she got caught.
Oh God. You must have gotten too angry at her.
I was helping her up because हमने एक साथ पढ़ाई की थी, so I knew that she knows the answer. I was like just trying to remind her. I wasn't trying to cheat.
It was my fault, but she got caught.
But I
got
knew
caught.
Oh God. Okay. Who's parents' favorite?
If you mean who they trust with money and keys and things like that, yeah.
See, if I think growing up, whenever we wanted permission, whenever we wanted to do something, so she would always tell me that "Tu baat karegi na," then they'll say yes. So it's always been like that. Like
I told you, it's this face. They always think something is going to happen to this face. Like,
I also talk to them with a lot of
excuse me.
just like I know how to talk to parents. Let's just say that. Yeah.
But at least it's good you have your way out.
Yeah. Somebody needs to.
Okay. Now, who do you think sings better?
We pointed you.
Yeah, because like we're actually each
should-
other's fans.
Yeah.
And we're also very mean to each other.
Yeah, I
When we
think-
do a bad job, you'll hear it sabse pehle from us. So
Yeah, like she'll play me a song and I have to be the first one to tell her, oh my god, this is it.
Or
this
yuck.
is, you can do better.
like I can
So
sing
it's-
better.
Yeah.
That's
Oh, you
great.
should have done that. So yeah.
Yeah.
But we actually leave it to the audience to always say who sang better because that question just doesn't exist at home. So.
Now, who do
So
you
much
think is the
loud.
craziest? Sorry.
No, it's okay. Your question.
Who do you think is the craziest one?
It explains why I get in trouble.
Yeah.
Okay, yes, it does now.
Yeah.
So, who do you think, who actually takes more time to get ready?
But you also. It depends.
I mean, usually Prakriti, but maybe
Of late it's been you.
Yeah, I think lockdowns made me very lazy. So
Yeah.
now if I have to
That's
maybe
all
get
of us.
ready for a live, I'll probably take more time than Prakriti. But usually normal life circumstances when we have to go out, it's always Prakriti getting me late. Everybody here, especially people who kind of follow our life, know this answer. So it's no see, Puku's late. Keep coming.
Both,
Yeah.
Our
Okay.
managers
Yeah.
like Cherish.
Both take
time to get ready. Yeah, because Cherish is so good at getting us out of the door early. No,
Yeah.
Sukriti the troublemaker.
Are
But hi to everyone who's tuned in and who's here. We will actually
Both
take
of you
some
are
questions.
my crush. That's very interesting. Cherish knows everything. Okay, okay. We'll actually finish your questions and then we'll take more questions.
No. Okay. Now, you've both sung solo covers as well, like the recent one, which is Kendi Ha Kendi Na. So, how's the creative process different from doing a Bollywood song?
Kendina is not a cover. I mean, that's a single of sorts. But of course, it's very different from Bollywood because हमने खुद गाना बनाया है. So I think the whole process and the whole journey of that is very different, liberating also because when you're making a song, you get to take a lot of calls yourself. You get to design it. You get to write it the way you would, sing it the way you would. So I think the whole journey makes it very interesting, and I think you get to learn so much. And I think both the songs Mafia and Kendi Ha Kendi Na that have come out last year and this year of course have made us I think better artists in a way that it's made us be able to at least write our songs. That was never something we thought we were even capable of. So slowly we're working on our songwriting skills. We're writing. We're feeling more like an
I think
artist
they're both
now.
very different. Like how you would compare going on stage or singing in a studio. You love both the things. So for us, we've been always Bollywood playback singers. We sang for movies, and this little bit of change only happened in 2019 when we also started doing singles, because I think we always have to follow the trend. It's very, very important, and singles is obviously a trend that's ongoing for a long time now.
And that's something we wanted to do. Like growing up, I think we've always wanted to sing our own songs, be in our own music videos,
And thankfully you can do it now.
take the pop route always. So I think finally it's coming together, and this year hopefully you'll be hearing so much more of all the things that we've made in this quarantine. Hopefully, and hopefully you like them also.
Hopefully.
We will be waiting for them, surely.
Yeah.
Okay. My next question to you is Sukriti. You've done a mixtape with Arman Malik. So, would you like to describe him in one word?
Wow. So Arman and we go back. Like, I mean, our, friendship has been one of the longest friendships I've ever had in my life, right? Because I think when we talk about Arman, Amal, Puku, me, Arman was my first friend when I came to Bombay. So my elder sister, Arman's mom, our families have been family friends for a very, very long time. And I think I know him since 10, 11 years now, and we've grown up with each other. You know, I've seen his entire journey. He's seen my journey. So
One word.
it I can't
Yeah.
put 10, 11 years in one word, but I think
But he's
overall he's very inspiring slash very particular. Like he's a perfectionist.
perfectionist,
So I think
yeah.
perfectionist would be a good word for him because he's very
Because he's
particular.
so talented, it's so difficult to just say like one word for a
Yeah.
person who's so dynamic. So
Yeah.
That's beautiful.
But
Okay,
the funny part is
now
that the
my question.
mixtape that you're talking about is the first song we ever collaborated on. So it's like after all of these years that we've grown up together
Yeah.
and done music, I think this mixtape was the first song that we ever sang together, and here's to many more for sure.
Beautiful. So, now my next question is to you, Prakriti. That you've sung the song Subha Subha in the movie Sonu Ki Tittu Ki Sweetie.
आपने
So
सही
how
बोला.
was your,
Wow.
Sonu ki
so how was your experience working with Arjit Singh?
I mean, I really didn't get to meet him while the recording was happening, but of course, I think it's one of my career's highlights that I have a song with him, considering मैं इतनी बड़ी fan हूँ अरिजीत सिंह की, and if I have nothing better to do in a day, I would just be sitting in my balcony listening to his songs because I just love his singing so much, and I think it's like I said, it's a very big deal for me to have a duet with him, and hopefully, who knows, maybe we sing it also together one day. But the experience has been absolutely fab. It's one of those songs that still gets so much love. So, yeah.
It's a very beautiful song.
Hi Mojo, what's up?
I'm not
think-
reading any
yeah,
comments.
I
It's
think
like
we've kept-
unfair. I'm just gonna now quickly.
Not a problem.
Suku, please get red hair
Okay.
back. Please tell someone to open the salon. I'll go get red hair back.
एक घंटे के लिए खोल दो salon, and we'll be like, we'll just take our bookings.
How sweet. Thank you guys. So much love coming in. I think we should definitely come live more often. Thank you to you actually. Thank you to you guys because we've not come Instagram live in a very long time. जब lockdown शुरू हुआ था, we were coming very often. But then we were like,
Thank you
"Take a
for
break."
joining us actually.
It's fine.
No,
Pleasure.
for sure, pleasure.
Okay, what do you want to tell us about the weirdest date that you've ever had?
Weirdest date.
I've forgotten that, guys. It's been too long, too long in this lockdown. We were just talking about it yesterday. Like, I think हम सब अपने social skills एकदम
I don't know
भूल
about
गए हैं.
date. Please take me to a restaurant to eat food. I mean, I'm okay with that also right now.
But that's a date, no.
Okay, weirdest date, Prakriti. Which is the weirdest date?
Yeah,
I will also
this-
guess with you.
Oh, so my weirdest date was definitely the only thing I can think of right now, and so I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Yeah. Wow. My
Wow.
phone's like, are you sure you want to talk about this? But yeah, so I went to meet a friend, and we were just catching up. You know how you just text somebody and you're just catching up and whatever. Then you make a plan to go out and get some food. So I did that, but I didn't know it was a date till I came back home. And how that it was not said correctly or directly. It was just supposed to be like, oh, let's go get some burgers. So we went and we had like nice burgers, and we
That's
had
weird.
yeah, it was that kind
That's
of a date.
weird.
And then obviously I was very friendly throughout, and obviously I didn't have any feelings for that guy. But it was only much later that I came home that I realized it was a date. So yeah, that makes it the worst date of my life.
So how was the realization process then?
Nothing. I think it's so weird to talk about this because we're still friends, But yeah, I think he brought it up that listen, it was actually a date, and I'm like, yeah, but I didn't. It was a friendly catch-up burger. Let's go have burger. And बाद में पता चला, like if I would have known, then I would have probably not gone for a date because I never had feelings for that guy. But yeah, that was a bad date. We shall not revisit that date anymore. What's your terrible date
Wow.
experience?
I have to give it up for the question. Weirdest date. I haven't. I think this one time that I had gone out for a date. It's been a while. It's been a long time, but I'd gone out and I had gone to meet somebody, and then it was extremely boring. So we just tried to pass our time. Half the time we were just on our phone because we didn't know what to talk about. And
That's
after
very
that,
rare because you always
yeah,
know
it's
how to
very
talk.
yeah. Like I'm very You know, I'm very like talkative, you can tell, but it was not like that. I was just not going anywhere. And then I went to the washroom, and then on my way out of the washroom, I met some other friends in the same restaurant.
Oh, I know
So,
who this is.
I said that I have to go somewhere, and I actually went out with my friends. So I just called it off.
Basically, you joined another table.
Yeah, I mean, I went out with a bunch of old friends, and I ditched him. So yeah, that was the weirdest date I've ever had, because it was very weird.
Okay, lovely experiences you both had.
Lovely, not so lovely, but yeah, experience is experience.
Okay. Now, time for another fun activity. Here, I will translate some of the popular songs in English, and you have to guess which songs they actually are, the Bollywood ones. Okay.
So we have to translate it.
No, I will give you the translated ones,
We have
and you
to-
have to guess them which Hindi songs they are.
Okay, let's go.
Okay.
Make it easy, yeah?
Sure.
Okay.
Okay. So if you are with me, if you are not with me, what's the difference? Life was unrelenting then.
You're
And
very
now-
fast.
Sato!
Yeah?
Okay, yes.
Wow.
Great.
I'm very bad at this. Wow.
What's
Yeah,
the
guys,
difference?
come on now. Everybody get on duty.
Please
Help
help
us.
us. Every time I'm performing this
No,
on stage,
that's cheating.
like every time I'm on stage and when I sing this song, I just look at the audience and I just say, "Kya fark padta hai?" You know, tum saath ho. So I know. And then in my head, I'm translating it in English, so I just knew it.
You want to sing it for us?
Yes, I think
Yeah,
we
we
definitely.
should
This
sing
song is actually special because Prakriti has done a version of it, so
Yeah.
we should hear it. Okay.
Please.
तुम साथ हो या ना हो क्या फर्क है बेदर्द थी जिंदगी बेदर्द है अगर तुम साथ हो अगर तुम साथ हो Thank you.
You just made our night so melodious. I
We
must
should have
tell
sung
you.
the other part, which is.
Yeah, okay, anyway.
But that's my favorite part of the song.
No, you can sing that for sure.
No,
I think
Continue.
I'm sure you're gonna make us sing a lot with every song that we're gonna probably know. Let's see. What can
Okay.
Abdul is here? What's up? We're not Hi Jay.
lots of
What's
friends
up?
here. Hi Jay. Hi Mustafa.
What's up? This is such
What's
a good
up?
way of
Reconnecting
meeting people.
I think
All right.
Zoom and Instagram are the best things that have happened in lockdown. Let's go.
Okay, guys, whoever's tuned in, please help because we don't know what's coming up next.
Yeah.
Let's go.
We're being
I think you
tested.
know the next one for sure.
Okay.
Okay. So it is, I saw you and something happened to me. I'm thinking about you like crazy. I want deep friendship only with you, not once but 100 times.
Sosova. मैंने तुझको देखा. No. What was the first? You were going very fast.
Okay, I'll go slow.
Real slow, yeah. Okay.
I'll
first
just say one of you guys were correct.
मैंने
हाँ,
तुझको देखा?
मैं देखूं तेरी
I
photo.
saw you. I
can't.
saw you and something happened to me. I'm
कुछ
thinking
हुआ.
about you like crazy.
देखा मैंने.
अरे
Guys,
but those are like 100 songs यार in Hindi. मैंने तुझको देखा कुछ हुआ ना तो happens in every song.
please.
I'll give you the
photo
first
ना.
line and for sure you know this song.
So say
Where
third.
Tenmu.
Huh?
Should I? You.
What's the third line?
I'll repeat the entire statement
Yeah,
again.
Let's go from the
I
top.
saw you. Okay. I saw you and something happened to me. I'm thinking about you like crazy.
मैंने तेरे बारे.
I want deep friendship only with you.
Deep friendship.
Not once but 100 times.
एक बार सौ बारी, something like that. Huh?
There is Bari in this.
Bari.
You want me to tell you?
अरे बताओ यार.
बता दो.
Guys,
Guys,
help
no
me.
one's even helping. Yeah, what is going on?
Is this Wake up and hoya kuch manu. Oh, so I didn't think it was our songs. That's why I was thinking किसी और का होगा. But okay. Okay. Wake up and hoya kuch manu. कमली होके सोचा बस तन्नो.
मैं पहलारी तेरे नाल यारी एक दफा नहीं सो होने वाली. Yeah.
But somebody helped me.
Yeah,
Like,
yeah.
since I have to be honest, somebody helped me.
I wouldn't
But
have
thank you
imagined.
guys.
Thank you guys.
Okay, no problem. I think this one's very easy. Okay.
You
First
said one
intoxication.
You said
yeah,
last
yeah.
one was also easy.
This one is for sure easy. First intoxication. First hangover. My love is new. So is the weight. What have I done to myself? This relentless heart of mine. Sorry, this restless heart of mine. Oh, restless heart.
Restless को हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं?
No hints.
Guys,
so
help.
easy.
No cheating. No cheating.
Okay, say again. But
My restless heart.
say the first two lines again.
I'll start. First intoxication. First
पहला कौन था?
hangover. Yes.
Yeah, see, thank you,
Yeah.
Prakriti, Sukriti, love. We love you.
We love
thank
you.
you for.
Nothing without you.
Oh, Pehla Nasha. Sweet, 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 sweet. Got that right.
Okay. Now this time no cheating, okay?
Okay. Not
Okay.
looking at the comments.
You
I want
became
to-
okay.
I went off.
You
But anyway.
you became 1 to 2. Oh girl, what to do? Oh, you became the guy. Tu turu turu tu.
Huh?
Tu.
मैं तेरा होने
No.
Two, you became 1 to 2.
One, एक से दो.
1 2 का 4 4 this is too
I'll
tough.
repeat.
I don't want to give up yet.
Somebody said I just googled it. Yes. What did you find on Google?
No.
तुम हो
मैं हाँ?
say again now.
Hangover.
I'll
अभी
repeat
hangover
again. Yes.
पिछले में था. इसमें नहीं है.
You became 1 to 2. Oh girl, what to do? Oh, you became the guy. Tu
कि
turu
मैं क्या
turu tu.
करूं?
London ठुमकता, right?
Yes.
Wow.
Tu
Yeah,
ho
right.
gayi 1 to 2.
It has to be right.
Yeah.
Wow.
तू oh
ओ कुड़िए what to do तू हो गई वंडरबी तू पतंगा बनेगी तू है बेहुड़ी. Okay,
yeah,
very
too
good.
good. अब मजा आ रहा है. I need to
Charge
catch up.
up.
Okay. Now we going back to questions, okay?
Guys, thank
you don't mind.
Thank you. Nothing without you guys.
Yeah.
I know you cheated. That's not right.
But she cheated.
Oh, I thought it was a song.
Okay.
No.
No.
Okay.
But yeah, she cheated. So
Yeah,
stop
I mean-
cheating. Just say you don't know. It's better.
It's called like the helpings. I'm accepting help, you know. It's just I can see
I
it.
have.
So,
Purushottam,
Very
thank
diplomatic,
you so
huh?
much. You helped.
Yes.
I saw you.
Purushottam, thank you so much.
Okay. Now, can you talk about who your dream artist is and who you would like to collaborate with?
Lots of people,
Wow.
yeah. We have a full list of, people that we would love to collaborate with internationally, in our own city.
In Bollywood, I think.
Yeah, I think
there's
what is the question? Are you talking about here or like just dream collab?
Anybody.
Because then you'd say Justin Bieber, no?
Yeah.
Okay, for both of you, Justin Bieber.
Yeah, I mean, there's so many people that I would love to work with. I love Maluma, I would love, if we're really talking about having a dream collab, something like that would be awesome. There's so many people in the industry that I want to work with. I think on the top of my list would be Vishal Shekhar, Amit Trivedi. There's so many people I really want to sing for.
Shankar
So,
Hassan
Shankar Hassan
Roy.
Roy.
Also Pritam Da, we've never worked really
Yeah.
with Pritam Da. So, yeah. Lots of people.
We hope that happens very soon. Okay. Now, since you've loved the previous fun activity, here's another one. It is which sibling knows the other one better. Okay.
Wow, I
I
feel
hate
like a
this
couple
game.
now.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. So, Abhi, what do we have to say?
Okay,
I
now
think one
I'll
of
ask
us should go
Sukriti
first.
first and then Prakriti.
Okay.
Okay?
So
So,
that's my dog barking like crazy. Yes.
now to you, Sukriti. What's one thing she looks for in a man? Like Prakriti looks for in a man.
The list is very long, but one thing you better make it.
I think talent, you know, I think Prakriti's type, I think topping the list would be huge list, like she said. But I think very, very important is ambition and talent, you know. Yeah. For
Driven,
sure.
yeah.
Driven, yeah.
Good, yeah.
Great.
Drive. What
Okay.
drive?
So, yeah, you get it. Not bad.
Okay,
not
now
bad.
Prakriti to you.
Emotionally
What is
available.
Sukriti's
ये भी सही है. Amazing. You guys know us so
Yeah, you
well.
know us so well. Too good. Too good. Too
Temperamental. No, actually not very temperamental.
No, yeah, not temperamental. I grew up since I said
She
that.
is
in some
temperamental, so please no. That.
Next question.
Yes. To Prakriti, you. Sukriti's first crush.
I think Ryan Gosling. Yeah. You know?
No,
he
I
saw
think that would
Notebook.
be more of like forever crush, you know. Yeah, I mean
Okay.
it's not first, but
First crush, I think there was this guy in school. We both had a crush on him, but then he liked her. So, life.
Okay.
But
Now, back.
No.
No, if you want to mention, that's fine.
No.
Of course not.
Perfect. Everyone just laugh.
Okay. Now back to you, Sukriti. What is Prakriti's biggest fear?
I think, wow, she's so Prakriti is a very philosophical person. Like she's very, very deep. Like sometimes,
Way deeper, you just have to say.
I mean, sometimes, you know, like she's very philosophical. So like that, we were just having this conversation the other day about, you know, fear and faith and things like that. But I think Prakriti's number one fear, I'll say two. Okay, first have to be lizards. Like she can't deal with lizards at all. I think it's a big phobia.
I've lost my voice shouting sometimes if I see a lizard.
I
so
think she would not be scared of like insects or even a lion, but she'll be scared of a lizard. And the second would be, I think, losing people she loves. Like she's very like territorial like that. You know, like the people she loves, she brings are like very close to her. So she's
Because
always,
I don't have those many people in my life. I think the people who really matter and who I can, you know, absolutely say that I love and I'll take a bullet for are very few.
yeah. So she maybe would be losing her loved ones. Yeah.
We're getting to know pretty much,
This has
interesting
been a very
facts about you.
insightful
Yeah, I swear.
life for sure.
Ow. No more.
Okay. Now, back to you, Prakriti. What is the first song that Sukriti sang?
We lost.
And if you
lost
would
there.
like to sing some lines from it. Okay.
Sorry,
I
I
think there's
lost
some
The
network.
first song that yeah, is it better now?
Back to you, Prakriti. What is the first song that Sukriti sang? And if you would like to sing 2 lines from it.
first song ever, like ever. Okay, so this is I'll just say it. Okay, so I remember growing up, there was this one song that Sukriti used to sing all the time. I think because even now she's such a big Sunidhi
No
Chauhan
idea
fan.
what she's gonna say.
No, but because we're both such big Sunidhi Chauhan fans, there was this one song called Deedar Re, Deedar Re. So I remember this is so funny. This was her first ever singing competition, or I don't know, maybe like some performance or something in school, and she
I'm
sang
sure she
this.
asked what's the first song I sang. But anyway.
No, this was the first performance. This is the first song you ever sang in front of people.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
this is definitely that song. But was the question what
Okay.
she sang सबसे पहले?
Pehli baar.
Yeah.
I think my first song would
Debut
be
song.
that.
Yeah,
Yes.
that song was Pehli
Pehli
Baar.
Baar.
Also, it's 5 years to Dil Dhadakne Do. So-
Today, actually. It's very funny. I think today's a
Oh,
very,
that's
very
wonderful.
special day.
Congratulations.
Thanks.
In a way, it's like 5 years to your debut of songs.
Yeah. What's up, Rahul? So
Wonderful.
many people tuning in today. I think you've caught us at like
The prime.
the prime time hour. Everyone's tuned in.
Yes. So, back to you, Sukriti.
Hmm.
What is Prakriti's pet peeve?
She gets annoyed very easily. Let's put it out there. But
I'm telling you, this interview is like too much now.
yeah, that's what happens when you interview us together. But her pet peeve would be she hates waiting. So I think anybody who makes her really wait would be something that she would get really annoyed with.
Working with patience this quarantine.
But also, it's very hard to sometimes convince her that she could be wrong. So she
asked
doesn't.
for one, no?
She asked for just one pet peeve. Okay, so then Prakriti's
She's getting
calm down.
getting it all out.
Yeah, too many days with me, she needs to go
Yeah.
meet other people because Sukriti is so social.
That's true.
For her to stay home so many days is like, wow, ये कैसे हो रहा है?
Okay. Now, Prakriti, what is it one thing Sukriti can't live without?
Food and me, of course. You can't live without me, let's face it. And phone and
Yeah.
food.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So,
So,
yeah, food is a good answer.
She says, just get me food and no one's going to get hurt. So, just get me the food.
That is quite relatable, actually.
And I've learned how to cook for her. That's why we're like actual couple goals.
Yeah,
I
we've
cook
become
for her.
husband wife now. Because yeah, I always thought I'm gonna like this quarantine lockdown. I'm gonna spend a lot of time cooking. I tried it, but she's better. So let's just say that.
Lots of
Okay.
people are saying popcorn. She can't live without popcorn. So popcorn.
got popcorn.
Yeah, you can't live without popcorn.
Take that back.
Popcorn, food, me, and her phone.
Yeah.
Okay. And now back to you, Sukriti. What is one annoying habit of your sister?
What are these questions?
One.
We're helping you get it all out.
One. That's it.
See this exactly this because she's very dominating. Like what she always feels like whatever she's saying has to be like Bible.
I'm leaving.
So-
I'm going back to my room and going to sleep.
No, I
now.
think this only.
What
Like
are these questions?
I'm the older sister, right? But she's the little more bossy one. So this, if we can just, she should tone it down a little
I'm
bit.
really nice if you get to know me. That's all I will say.
I
now
vouch for that.
in my defense.
Vouch for that. What's up, Azim?
Hi, ladki beautiful karke chul yaar.
Yeah.
Chul, I
What's
think.
up? Very
So
special
new
track with Azim ever since 2017. Sorry, we are cutting you, but lot of
No,
And everybody go say hi.
Yeah.
So back to you, Prakriti. What is an adorable habit of your sister?
See, these questions are very unfair. I'll tell you why. You asked the worst part about me, pet peeves, and I'm
Okay, you
supposed to
can
say
talk
the
about
worst
her
things,
too.
but- So I just think it's a little like unfair, but
Just answer.
Anything you want to mention as a habit?
so this will sound cheesy, but so
Yeah.
Sukriti's AC was not working, so she stayed in my room for the whole quarantine. Finally, she's back to her room.
Yeah, after
But-
60 days. But 65 days.
So रात को जब मैं सो रही होती हूँ, she will like nicely cuddle me and give me one kiss on my cheek.
Oh,
Okay,
that's so sweet.
so I think that's like damn adorable.
Wow, and every time I do that, she makes this face and she's like, what are you doing? But
Yeah,
like,
I
the way
don't-
she said it on live,
I
but
don't
she likes
like it. I'm just like, but I think it's adorable.
Thanks, man. Appreciate it.
Okay. Now, Sukriti, can you mention one song that you think your sister would have sung better than the original singer?
Oh, like any song?
Yeah.
Wow, I think
I would love to know.
yeah, I think there are so many songs that I mean, whoever sings whichever song is, I honestly feel the perfect casting
Yeah.
always. But if there was one song that Prakriti should have sung, maybe
Yeah.
because she loves it. There are so many now, but okay, according to me, right? Not according to her. Would
Yeah.
be there was this really beautiful song in this movie called Ayari. It's called Leduba, and it's sung by Suniti Chauhan, and it's like her favorite song, and you know,
But it's our favorite song.
it's our
also.
favorite song, and
Yeah.
also I think Parishan from Ishaq Zadeh.
Oh yeah, dream
That
song.
song
Yeah, for sure.
is, I think, every girl's dream. So I will just put it like
That is a very beautiful song.
It's a beautiful
You want to
song.
try it out, Sukriti? Do you want to sing it for your sister? She believes you can sing it better.
I will probably put an Instagram cover. So tomorrow I'm actually jamming in my room, so I'm going to put a longer version of that.
Okay, sure. We'll wait for it then.
Yeah.
Okay, now Prakriti, which is that one Bollywood celebrity you think your sister would date?
I can think of too many names, but I would
Wow.
say just because we're being so hopeful now, right? Like wishful thinking. Ranbir Kapoor, Sukriti has a very, very big, fat, gigantic wala crush.
Yeah, yeah,
Matlab, she'll never miss a movie. She'll always take me to like
No, he's definitely my favorite actor.
favorite, like straight up.
So many people will agree, right? I'm not
Yeah.
alone.
Yeah,
Yes.
they will.
Yeah, Ranbir Kapoor.
Great choice.
Thank you.
So, anything that you would like to say about, who your, to the musicians who are aspiring to be singers?
I think the only piece of, I mean, I don't even want to call it advice because I feel we're all very equipped right now. But anybody who's, maybe having a career shift, trying to get into this industry, there's this thing that everybody in the industry who's a part of it believes in, that you need some sort of an individuality. And a USP which just makes you, because everybody is so diverse, like everybody is so different. Like even me and Prakriti, we are twins, but the kind of songs that we would sing and our approach and our styles would be so different. So I feel like if
I
somebody,
think a lot of people still don't know, the difference between our singing and tonalities and stuff. And I think we will do individual work,
Yeah.
in our careers to signify what is our individual USP also. But I think it's important, like she said, to just find that place where you can exist and, where you're meant to be. Because we both feel like there's so much space for everyone. I think everybody, there's just space for all kinds of people and all kinds of voices. So I think you just need to find your own space and feel in US.
and I feel like if you're really pursuing music, you need to treat it like your best friend, right? Like it's a relationship you need to have with your music every single day, and like you need to love it like that, and just be more, just learn. I think this entire period has given us also so much time to just reflect and to think and to just work and try different songs and do new things. So I feel like everybody who comes out of this lockdown is going to be so much more talented, so much more,
For sure.
fresher. So I feel like everybody, whoever wants to get into singing now,
And I think also to develop a taste for the good and the bad experiences. I think not every day is going to be happy and flowery, but I think it's more to do with being dedicated and not actually giving up.
Yeah.
Because there's so many days when it's not nice. You're losing a song, or you're gaining a song, or you're losing a friend because you're working too much. Every day is just not happy, and I think that's probably in every industry and profession. But यहाँ के जो highs and lows होते हैं, I think music industry के, I think some highs are very high, some lows are like really low. So you just have to find your balance. So that.
Such beautiful words, I must say. They will definitely inspire many others.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you. It was
Thank
lovely
you.
talking to you. And thank you for doing
It-
this, and thank you for having us come live after so long.
Thank you so much for being a part of our show. It was a pleasure having you.
Thank you
Thank
so
you so
much.
much.
And I think one really big thank you for everyone who's tuned in, listening to us yap a lot, and just catching up with us. Thank
I
you
think
so
this
much.
has been our only like little, encounter, social encounter, बहुत दिनों से. So I think we're just over talking a little bit, but we're just excited to meet everyone, and so happy that you guys could tune in. Lots and lots of love,
Lots of love.
to all
Take
you.
care, all of you, and yeah, until next time. Thank you so much for having us. This is
Thank you
fun.
so much for being here. I hope you loved our show. If you did, it would be great if you could give a shout out to our show, to all your fans, our viewers.
Definitely.
Absolutely.
I think, guys, go check out their page and be tuned in for all the lovely lives that are going to happen, and their show. I think it's very, very exciting. And thank you so much. Your questions were amazing. I had no idea you're going to be like drilling us with so many questions, but हमें बहुत मजा आया. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank
Lots
you
of
so
love.
much.
Bye. See you guys.
See you
Bye.
guys.
Bye.
You're
Take
back.
care.
Don't die. Oops, you're still here. You have to leave. Yeah.
I hope all of you guys loved this session too. If you did, make sure you check out all the other fun and interactive sessions we keep on having on our page. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye-bye.